let's begin with today's chocolate and walnut fudge. Now here I'm chopping about half a cup of walnuts and setting them aside. Then I'm going to be chopping 200 grams of dark chocolate compound and setting that aside too. Now here I'm going to grease a 7 by 7 inches baking pan with some butter, and then I'm going to line it with some baking paper. And set this aside. Now using a double boiler, which is nothing but a vessel filled with water and a heat-proof bowl which doesn't touch the water, just place it on top. And now I'm going to melt this dark chocolate compound with around 1 tablespoon of butter on a low to medium heat, stirring in between. Now once our chocolate melts, I'm going to add 200 ml of condensed milk. And I'm going to mix this really well together till everything really comes together, the chocolate and the condensed milk as well as the butter, to get a nice smooth consistency. Now we want this chocolate fudge to look nice and dark, so you have to get this real good dark color. Now take it off the heat and just add the chopped walnuts and mix everything really well together. Now I'm just going to pour this into my lined baking pan. We're just going to even it out so that it looks all nice and even, and I'm going to refrigerate this for at least 2 hours or even longer, and then we just have to demold it and then just cut it up into even sized squares like this. And that's it, friends. Your lovely chocolate walnut fudge is all ready to enjoy.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.